Welcome to our channel. If you want to invest in rental properties, follow these step-by-step instructions to build wealth through real estate while generating monthly income. Step 1. Analyze your local real estate market to identify areas with strong rental demand, reasonable property prices, and positive cash flow potential. Research neighborhood trends, employment, and development plans. Step 2. Calculate all costs involved, including down payment, closing costs, property management, maintenance reserves, insurance, property taxes, and potential vacancy periods. Ensure rental income exceeds all expenses. Step 3. Secure financing for your investment property. Understanding that rental property loans typically require larger down payments and charge higher interest rates than primary residence mortgages. Step 4. Find the right property by looking for well-maintained homes in good locations with features tenants desire. Avoid properties requiring extensive renovations unless you have renovation experience and capital. Step 5. Screen tenants thoroughly using credit checks, employment verification, rental history, and background checks. Quality tenants who pay on time and maintain the property are crucial to investment success. Step 6. Decide whether to manage the property yourself or hire professional management. Self-management saves money but requires time and landlord skills, while managers charge fees but handle day-to-day operations. Step 7. Maintain the property properly and build cash reserves for unexpected repairs and vacancies. Well-maintained properties attract better tenants and hold value better over time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.